Hello and welcome at a new day at the camp here. My friend over there, he's collecting firewood and he's gonna try to make fire for himself. That's the challenge at least, and he's gonna try to make some char cloth for me. Something I didn't tell you yet, but I butchered a pigeon and I am going to prepare it now to try it and taste it. So I've never tried pigeon or anything like that, and I'm gonna just bake it on the gas stove. I wanted to do it over a fire, but I want to keep the fire to a minimum because today is Sunday and there's so many people bustling around here in the woods, and I think it's not safe because, yeah, kind of not allowed to cook or have any fires in the woods. So, yeah, we're just gonna do it on a gas stove. And after that, we're gonna try to finish the shelter. Nog even comfortabel. Yes, he made it. Good. Oi, we made a fire. I mean, my guy made a fire.
Finally. First time I've made a fire about this.
Well, fuck it. I might just as well prepare my pigeon on fire now that we have a fire going. So I've got this little thing, stands that I can set my pan on. Place it right here. So I can place my Swedish cast iron pan on it. Like so. En dan in het vlees, als dat geen witte puntjes of geen zwarte puntjes, of als dat niet gekleurd of niet aandacht ziet, dan is dat eigenlijk veilig. Ja. En zelfs dan, als je het dan goed kookt, goed bakt. It's prepared. We're gonna have a little tasting. You wanna go first, or should I go?
I'm gonna
think the
take
pan's
a small piece right here. It tastes like coal.
I think we overcooked it a bit. But what would you say it tastes like?
It's a new taste for me personally. I haven't eaten before, but
It tastes like overcooked meat.
overcooked meat, that's for sure.
But I can't bring home the real taste really.
Yeah,
Wanna
it
try
is-
more?
No,
Why not?
it's overcooked.
Dude, it's fucking nice.
Oh, this one's even worse.
Well, I wouldn't say the taste is bad. If I was gonna be in a survival situation, this would be pretty cool. But I'm no how do you say that in English? Kitchen fairy or something like.
You're no Gordon Ramsay.
No, definitely not. But better be safe than sorry, right?
True.
Yeah.
I think all bacteria are most likely dead.
We're having fucking diarrhea this afternoon. That's for sure. Maar je ziet, je hebt zo'n shelter gebuild die is.
That's gonna be keeping us dry. Days it rains.
Okay, I think my shelter is pretty well camouflaged or stealthy, right? Like it's not finished yet, but these bracken and so on, they will color brown soon, so that wouldn't be a problem. And when the sides are done, that also will like make it look more natural. But all in all, I am quite happy how it turned out. But it's quite a lot of work. There is almost no light, or there is no light coming through. I'm not sure if it's waterproof yet. That still needs to be checked out, and the bed still needs to be made. And of course, yeah, the sides needs work as well, but Olá, eu neste mal. Så, helemaal vol.